Morning. This is what 20 mils in the past 48 hours does. What are we looking for? Luckily there was no runoff water, so all the water was sucked in. That's what I see from the road, and even when I look inside, it was sucked in. And sadly, here on this border, it's not the most accurate place to do. If there was an auger, then we'll check how deep did it actually go. But 20 mils of rain in the last 24 hours, 48 hours has fallen, and looks like I still have a couple more. I still have a couple more millimeters to go because it has not cleared up. Now the question I have is, do I cut my Fuji? Do I top it? That's what I tend to mean. Do I top it? Sadly, I forgot a scissor today, but tomorrow when I come, I'll definitely come with the scissor. I've got questions. Do I top it? Or do I let it go through another rain? But now I've got definitely new flashes. But I think let me leave it a month or so, because it's actually its first rain. Those that are struggling to pick up, and those that will get bigger stems. For example, a tree like this, which has got 2 leaders, 1 leader must go, because as this tree is very prone to windbreak, I wouldn't want to make it vulnerable. That's what the word I'm looking for. Make it more vulnerable. So it looks good. I call them my critical but stable trees. They're in a critical condition. They're in a critical but stable condition. So coming here, we still have to come. We still have to come and take out all these roots and weeds. And then my beloved 816. We're still going to paint them. Currently the paint is finished. Maybe it will also, it's not a very good experiment, but it will also help us to fully understand why trees must actually be painted. So I'm not going to leave them behind. I am going to paint them, but it's going to be very critical when do I paint them, because now it's already rained. So I must wait for the stem to fully dry before I paint them, because if I don't paint them when the stem is fully dry, it means am I trapping the water inside the stem? Will I cause problems for my trees? I think so. Scientifically, that's what I think, although I'm not a scientist. So this is also not one of the easiest roads. Although it's flat, it's still quite difficult. Not difficult. So quite and especially when it rained, because I'm picking up all the mud. I still want to understand how this actually works. So if 30 liters did not finish 700 trees, how does it actually work? I'd love to understand that part. So these ones have been painted. I'm also thinking that the trees are wet. But I'm also thinking that they tree trim them today, tomorrow. Because these ones, they've already been packed properly. So if you tree trim them today and tomorrow, can we finish? I have a challenge of jobs being half done. That really kills my emo. Because if you don't do it properly the first time, you definitely don't have time to do it again the second time. So I've arrived halfway my farm. This is like not even not halfway on the planted area. So what I asked for today was that they try, but it's pre-drizzling and shit like that. Sorry for the language. It's not quite drizzling. I don't know if it's the mist of the rain starting again. Okay, I think I'll just wrap it here for now. I'll do a part 2 of today.